have demolished 2 houses already. The 6 houses that took their cases to the Supreme Court on July 3rd got a stay on the demolition for 60 days. But these families today of 4 homes, I guess last night, received demolition orders that the demolition would happen today. So now it's against the Supreme Court ruling, number 1, and 2 homes have already been demolished, and supposedly 2 more will be. The American consulate has been notified, but they very much welcome more international presence.
Hi, Linda. We went to the Efrat turnaround.
All right.
And we
I
couldn't get in.
understand.
And we're in a taxi going there now. We took the service to Damascus and found a cab at the Jerusalem Hotel. And I'm going to confirm with Mary Lou that that's where Ibrahim wants us to go.
Okay. It's not clear to me exactly, but
Hold on just a
it
second.
will be helpful if we come. Is that right?
Or something?
No. No, we need to go back to Al-Khadar.
Be careful not take any picture when you see this one.
Yeah.
What is that?
Keep the camera down. Yeah.
Hi, Ibrahim.
What's going on? He asks. Okay, it's the news in the whole city now.
Yeah, he knew about it.
So we go this side.
This side.
So they demolished here 3 homes. They just finished, and the bulldozer has left. But the bulldozer is so powerful that they started with the home. Each home takes like 5 minutes to bulldoze. They appealed to the Supreme Court about 2 weeks ago, and they told them they will not demolish the homes. And yesterday evening they came to them. The army came to them and gave them 12 hours to evacuate the homes. So I think the next step, the Israelis will bulldoze these fields here to construct a fence.
So the more internationals, the better.
The more
And we have some coming.
This is why I thought early in the morning.
I think we need to go down because
Let's go.
the soldiers are...
They tried to phone them to come back, but I'm not sure. I don't think it got through.
We do have more coming.
Because what happens normally is to build a wall and the road next to it, they use something like 20 meters wide, and then they say they want to have another 150 meters without any buildings and constructions. Not sure whether that will mean that trees will have to go, but it wouldn't surprise me to be quite honest.
The separation wall will pass there behind this home, not in front. It's behind.
That means that this home
this area will be
in
ours.
the Palestinian area.
They just draw it because he don't have a permission.
It was Palestinian here, and it's sort of taken away from them. And so the area of Al-Khadar is getting smaller and smaller. From the mayor, I understood that right now about 80% of the area has been taken from the Palestinians, and that's a lot. There will be even more in the near future. If there would be no settlement, or if the settlement wouldn't have come this close, because it's a huge settlement on the other side of the hill. But the road over there already is connecting the settlement to Jerusalem. This used to be Palestinian, so there's not much of a discussion about where we are here now, really.
They fear from our home, destroy us, just fear. This man lost his home. Before this street, all from his land, they took it by force and say we will allow
180 شجرة زيتون زي هذا اللي شلعوا لي اياه من ال 20 على 110 متر على مسافة 18 متر.
180 olive tree they pick out from the ground from his land.
What's he gonna do now?
شو بدك تعمل هلا؟
شو بدي اعمل؟ اللهم لا حول ولا قوة، كله بحمد للسلطان.
He don't know what he gonna to do now. Just
وقدمنا للمحامية.
Just pray for his God to maybe help him, maybe do something better to him. She is defends her home. Then he bit her with his machine gun. Not the shot, bit her with it. Say that again. The soldier hit her.
شردوا 12 هي.
There is 12.
12.
Throw out from this home. 12 persons. This is the son and he is the grandfather, son and his son of the son.
They all live here.
Yeah, all live in these 12. Israeli. Imagine what they will do in future.
Yeah.
Imagine. Just imagine. When you was 7, 8, 10 years, they came and destroy your house. Then you complain him because they fight.
هاي نسوان.